there any weed smokers in the crowd tonight? No! Let's make a big fucking smoke cloud over this here crowd right here. Starting with you, my friend, get that shit started. I'll tell you something. It's like 10,000 of us. It's only like 20 security, so the chances are we all won't get caught, so spark up. I just have one request. It goes a little something like this. 1, 2, 3, Someone throw me a... My request is this. 1, 2, 3, All my stoners, put your hands in the sky. All my stoners, put your hands in the sky. One time for me. All my stoners, put your hands in the sky. All my stoners, put your hands in the sky. This one time for the bullshit that you came from. Worked hard to get away from, but the devil's there and you just can't seem to shake on. For the long night that you stayed up, thinking about that paper. Crushing liquor, spit it like blazer. You smoking out there, motherfucker. And this one right here is for the mind of a stoner.